everyone, how you all? Today I would like to discuss on the word concentration. मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ concentration नाम के word के बारे में. How much the concentration is important in your life. How a concentration plays a vital role in our life. My dear students, this is the high time. When you give priority to your work, when you focus 100% on your work, then you never cares what is others telling about you. You never focus what others thinking about you. Let's say example, when elephants walks on the road, then there are lots of dogs bark on him. It doesn't mean elephant go one by one to all the dogs and take revenge, because elephant knows that if he started taking revenge, then he will not supposed to reach to the destination. In the same way, I would like to share a story of a principal and a student. मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाना चाहता हूँ एक प्रिंसिपल और एक स्टूडेंट की. Once there was a student. He went to the principal office with an application stating that, "Sir, I will not continue in your school. Do you have some reason?" Then principal responded, "Why? Why don't you want to continue in my school? आप हमारे स्कूल में क्यों नहीं पढ़ना चाहते हो?" तो बच्चा कहता है, "Sir, there are lots of problem in your school. Everything is not good in your school. There's no such a good atmosphere. Aisha, some teachers are always speaking bad about the other teachers. Aisha, senior students, they are always commenting to the junior students. Aisha, some staff members, they are not coming in a proper dress. Aisha, some of them, they are making the atmosphere unhygienic in the school." So principal said, "Can you please do me a favor?" He said, "It's okay." क्या आप मेरी एक बात मान सकते हो? तो प्रिंसिपल से स्टूडेंट said, "It's okay." तो प्रिंसिपल said, "Take a glass full of water and walk 3 times around the school campus." प्रिंसिपल ने कहा कि आप एक गिलास पानी लीजिए और स्कूल जो बिल्डिंग है उसके चारों तरफ आप 3 टाइम चक्कर लगाइए और ध्यान दीजिएगा कि पानी उस ग्लास से एक भी बूंद नीचे गिरना नहीं चाहिए. एंड यू हैव टू एश्योर योर सेल्फ देयर शुड बी नो सिंगल ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर टिप्ड फ्रॉम द ग्लास. ही सेड, "इट्स ओके." देन द स्टूडेंट सिंपली गो 3 टाइम्स all around the school building and completed and came to the principal. The principal asked, "Have you seen any teachers, those who are commenting to the others one?" He said, "No." "Have you seen any students who are commenting to the others?" He said, "No." "Have you seen any teachers who are not properly dressed?" He said, "No." "Have you seen any staff, those who are making the atmosphere wrong here in the school campus?" He said, "No." Then principal replied, "My dear students, whenever you focus on your work, whenever you give 100% priorities to your work, at that time you never cares what others are thinking, telling and commenting on the peoples on you. When you do not concentrate on your work, when you are not giving 100% priority to your work, that time you focus what others are thinking, what others are doing, what others speaking, what they are gossiping, why they are gossiping, why they are doing, why they are not doing, why she is coming late, why they are not coming to school. These are the things. When you focus on your work only, that time you no need to care what others are doing. So always give priority to your work only. Never cares what others are doing. Then only you will be success. Do remember, always remember, when there is a righteousness in the heart, then there is a beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, then there is a harmony in the home. And when there is a harmony in the home, then there is a order in the nation. When there is a order in the nation, then only there will be the peace in the world. So always care about your righteousness. If your heart says yes, no need to care about others, what others are thinking about you. So this is the thing, my dear student. Always focus on your work only. Whatever the works you are having right now, you just focus on it. No need to see other students. Why other students are not participating in the programs? Why other students are not doing this? Why students are not completing this homework, that homework? Why should I only? Only you focus if you want to get success in your life. And that's the message. Thank you all.